Let's say we are required to round off 3,31367 to 2 decimal places. What do we do? So we're going to use these two examples to explain how we round off. So let's start with 2 decimal places. So what you do, you count the number of decimal places after the comma that you want to round off to. So it means 1, 2. So it means we are here at 1. And then what you do, you look at the number to the right of this decimal place, which is 3. And then since this number is lower than 5, we drop the number and the numbers to the right of it. So it means all these numbers go, and then we say 3,31367 is approximately 3,31 when we round off to 2 decimal places. What if we are rounding off to 3 decimal places? What will we do? Rounding off to 3 decimal places, we count to the number of decimal places after the comma that we want to round off to. So it's 1, 2, 3. So at 3 here. We look at the digit to the right of this decimal place, which is 6. And then 6 is greater than 5. So if the number is 5 or more, and then what do we do? We add 1 to the immediate left. So we add 1 to the third decimal place. We add 1 to 3, and then it becomes what? It becomes 4. Say plus 1. So if the number to the right is 5 or more, you add 1 to the last decimal place. So it means 3,31367 is approximately 3,314 to 3 decimal places. Okay, this is how we round off.